The simple answer is to apply for a certificate of relief from disabilities to the Commissioner of Mental Health. If granted, your psychiatric-based hospitalization that prevented you from being able to possess a firearm will be removed from the NICS database. However, the process for an application is not that simple. The process for an application requires that you provide additional documents, such as criminal history records, pertinent medical records, character reference letters, and possibly a psychiatric evaluation. Getting these documents together can be a time-consuming, tedious process. Attorneys at Nave Law Firm are prepared to help guide you through this process so that your application is persuasive, complete, and ultimately helps you get your Second Amendment rights back.
Es Nave, es Nave, es Nave.